no problem. So first start your screen, line sharing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, start sharing. Open Microsoft Word and start sharing.
सर स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रही है.
Just wait for a minute. It will be shown right away. Yes, now it is presenting.
सर आप क्या निकाले?
Yes, now open the Microsoft Word.
सर ये.
Yes, yes. This is the Microsoft Word. Open it. So this is starting up Microsoft. Yes. Now that's okay. And uh, write some lines. Okay, line spacing and paragraph spacing today. The topic is line spacing. What is the line spacing? The space between two lines. Okay, that is the, suppose that one line and then next line. So what's supposed to be the space between two lines? That is what we called line spacing. Okay, write something on your book, Microsoft Word document. Write something.
Okay, sir.
My name, right? That's okay. My name. And so okay, now press the enter.
ठीक चला.
Press the
कौन
enter.
सा?
Okay, after hitting the enter and write the another line, you can say my second name is another line after hitting the enter. Okay, yes, here, right. My, yes. So you write another line that I study in 6th class. So that is the space between these two lines. You know the space here and here, my two. Okay, I study, and that space inserted between these two lines, that is called the line spacing. So how can we change the space between these two lines and
Okay, sir.
increase and decrease the space? So for that, click on the paragraph, go to the paragraph ribbon, home paragraph, at the top paragraph, bottom right corner. Yes, yes, here below of this paragraph is written. You can see paragraph is written on, uh, not here, home tab and paragraph, second one after. Yes, here is the paragraph, and you can see, right, move to the right and bottom corner, right bottom corner. Yes, click on this button. So now the pop-up box has opened, and on the first tab, indents and spacing, so you can find, uh, that is the alignment, leave it and come to the spacing section. Okay, at the bottom it is showing the spacing section. Okay, so here is the spacing. You can change the line spacing. Here is, it is showing multiple of 1.15, and you can do it 2, 3, 4, whatever you want. Yes, increase or decrease. Yes, now it is increasing. And if you want to decrease it, click on the bottom button. Okay, down button. Yes, now you can decrease. Clicking on this, you can decrease it. Okay, line spacing. So this is the line spacing between these two lines. So
Okay, sir.
okay, now you got the, where is the line spacing on Microsoft Word. So here is the option for line spacing. Go to the paragraph tab and click on the pop-up box. And once pop-up box comes in, there is option for indent and spacing. And go to the spacing section of the tab where you can increase or decrease the spacing between these two lines. So this is how we can change the spacing. By the way, measurement of spacing is multiple of, okay, you can change it as well. In first column you can see the multiple of uh, click on that, click on that multiple of here, click on the
सर आप
multiple
कौन
of,
सा चैप्टर पढ़ा रहे हो?
click, yes, here is the lot more options: single, 1.5 line, double, exact, okay, that's all. Okay, so we have uh, different kinds of options for line spacing: exact, multiple, double, and multiple of that's all. Okay, so we can change the attribute.
Sir,
But yes,
excuse me, sir.
yes, tell me.
Sir, आपकी voice clear नहीं आ रही.
Yes, this is the outside wind
Sir,
is
आपकी
running
voice
very
clear
fast.
नहीं आ रही.
Yes, let me clear these things. Okay, so outside there is wind is very fast, that's why voice is breaking. Now I believe voice is okay. Yes, so we can change
Yes,
the,
sir.
yes, so we can change the line spacing attributes
सर
from
आप कौन
here,
सा चैप्टर पढ़ा रहे हो?
multiple and all that thing. Okay, now the we have the options for paragraph as well. Here is the first option: v4 points and after. Okay, v4 and after, you can see the option in same group, spacing group. Yes, here it is. You can increase this and decrease this. Okay, this is the spacing for the paragraph. So this is how we can change the paragraph spacing, right? And it measures in points, right? So if it comes in exam, what is the measurement of paragraphs, then we can say the points. Okay, paragraph spacing measures in the points, and line spacing measures in the multiple, single, and different kinds of, and basically this is also the points. So this is how we can change, and once we click on the OK button, that will be set. Okay, click on the OK button. Now the line spacing has increased, and hit the enter again. Press the enter. Yes, now you can see that spacing has been increased. Okay, now write something. I live in Ghaziabad or something else, whatever you want to write. Yes, so you can clearly see that the spacing has been increased after we have increased the line spacing, okay, using the paragraph tab. Okay, so this is how we can change the spacing, line spacing. Now any question about line spacing, any students, any question, anyone? Okay, so I believe there is no question about line spacing. Now come to the next option, next point, that is the page margin. Okay, page margin. So for doing the page setup and all that thing, we go to the page layout. Page layout, yes, here is the page layout. So here we have options for page margins. Okay, second option, you can see the page setup, and second option is page margin. Yes, margins. Yes, here it is, page margin. So you can see that you can change the page margin as well. Click on the any any kind of page margin you want, narrow, top side, bottom side. Okay, these are the page margins available in Microsoft Word. Or even though you can use the custom, means if you want to define at the bottom, go to the bottom, that is the custom page margin. No, in same page margin tab, yes, go, yes, custom, yes, click on that option. Yes, here you can define the page margin. Okay, top, inside, gutter, bottom, outside, these are the options available. You can change these options and increase or decrease the page margin, right? So this is the option available. And you can see at the bottom, mirror range, whole document. So these are the previews available for that. And multiple of page, that's all things. So we can increase, decrease, and after changing that we must click on the OK button for applying those changes, right? Any question about that?
No, sir.
So here we can change. If some if question comes in exam, that where we can find the page margin, so we have the answer for that. Go to the page layout, and there is page setup option, and where we can find the margins, and using the margins we can click change the page margins as well. Okay, right? So any question about the page margin? This is very easy topic. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
by the way, we do not frequently change the page margins. Sometimes we have different kinds of data tables, and then we require to change the page margins using that setup, all that thing. Once we print the and the page is not coming up properly and there is some line breaks and all that thing, then we need to set up for page margin. Now next topic is page orientation. In your book next topic is page orientation. Yes, here is the second option for that, orientation. Okay, we have two types of page orientation, that is portrait and landscape. Okay, why default? Yes, now it is the landscape. Okay, we can change the orientation. Yes, this is how we can change the orientation for the page. Why? Now we have given two types of page orientation, that is portraits and landscape. Okay. So what is the portrait? Portrait is when shorter edge is on the top. When shorter edge means short type of edges on the top, then that is called the portrait. When long edge is on the top, that is the landscape view. Okay, that is how we can change the अंशु आवाज नहीं बिल्कुल भी प्रिंस आवाज. So this is how we can change the landscape and portrait using the orientation, landscape and portrait, right? So page orientation is also very simple, right? And next option is page background. We can change the page background using the, yes, here is the option watermark. Click on that watermark. Okay, so there are different kinds of watermark available for that Microsoft document. uh, Confidential, do not copy, do not copy. So click any one of them. First one, confidential. Now you can see that at the bottom, in between, there is written something in shaded. Okay, that is confidential, means it shows the document is confidential. That means it should not be disclosed in public. So this is how we can change the watermark for the document. Watermark is kind of property for something, or that is secure thing, we can say that, right? And other thing is that we can change the background color as well for the pages. Yes, page color. Using the page color, we can change the color for pages. Select any one of the color, any color. Yes, change it black, white, blue. Okay, these are the page colors available for the pages. So that's how we can change the page color. Any question till now, students? Yes, this is basically very beginning and very basic topic in Microsoft Word we are using. Okay, right. So I suppose there suppose not be any question regarding that, right? So watermark, text, all these things you can see, and we can also use the custom watermark. Click on the watermark again. Watermark. Go to the watermark. Yes, click on that and come to the bottom. Custom watermark. That is the second option. Yes, click on that. Yes, you can apply custom watermark. Suppose that you have something printed document or any other kind of text or something else, so you can click on the first one, that is the picture watermark. Okay, uh, first option, first radio button, first on the top, second picture watermark. Second option is the picture watermark. Click on that. Yes, once you click on that, there is option highlighted for that. Select a picture. Okay, once you click on the select a picture, and there is pop-up box for selecting a picture from your from your disk. आपकी आपकी डिस्क में कोई पिक्चर हो उसको क्लिक कीजिए. यस, फर्स्ट वन इज कैमरा रोल. क्लिक ऑन दैट. इसमें डबल क्लिक कीजिए. इस पे कैमरा रोल पे क्लिक ऑन दी कैमरा रोल. डबल क्लिक. फोल्डर ऑप्शन. Yes, now you can select any kind of picture to apply as watermark. किसी भी पिक्चर को आप सिलेक्ट करके अप्लाई कर सकते हो. Yes, insert that. Click on insert button at the bottom and click OK. And now you can see that your picture has been applied as watermark. Up, you can see that your picture is visible. Yes, as in as watermark. Right, so here we
Sir,
can
एक minute.
use the custom watermark as well using this option, right?
Sir, clear.
Any question till now, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me what is the question.
सर जो पिक्चर है वो क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा.
Yes, so usually watermark is not the clear visible, that is the background, basically background showing in the document. That's why it is not clear. If you want to make it clear, then go again, remove that watermark. Okay, click on watermark, custom, go to the custom. No watermark. Select first option, no watermark. Click OK. Okay, this picture has gone. If you want to apply another picture, click on page. Go to the insert. Okay, go to the insert tab. Go to the insert tab. This is not the insert tab. At after home, see on top. Yes, insert tab. Here is the insert tab, and click on the, yes, picture, right? Click on picture. So now you can select any kind of picture you want to. Okay, select that picture and click insert at bottom. Okay, now you can see that your picture is clearly visible. This is how we can use the feature for inserting the picture in document, right? So this is the different option for the inserting picture. right? So now I believe uh, doubt is clear, right? Any other
Yes,
question?
sir. No, sir.
Okay.
सर
Any
अगर हमें
student?
इसे हटाना होगा तो कैसे हटाएंगे?
क्या? Again speak.
सर अगर हमें इस पिक्चर को हटाना होगा तो कैसे हटाएंगे?
Okay, so you can just click on delete button. Press delete button on your keyboard. Yes, now it's gone. Okay, or
Yes.
even though you can remove the picture using right click button, there is an also option for deleting that picture, right?
Okay, sir.
Any question till now?
No, sir.
Now now we have another option for that is the header and footer. Header and footer. Go to the view insert tab. Yes, insert tab, and there is option for header footer. Yes, right. Click on header. Click first option for the header. Click on that. Yes, here you can write page 1, or you can write the my first document. Write my first. Yes, that's good. My first document, and click the close header button. That is the right side, at extreme right side. No, that's, yes, here it is. You can see, close that. Now you can see that that is first line is showing in background my first document. You can see on the top. Okay, now uh, click on press enter, continue, enter, go, enter 3 more times, press enter. So cursor move to the second page, and again press enter for inserting second document. Yes, now you can clearly see my first document is also visible on the second page as well. What, you haven't tried it here, right? So what is the header footer? So the definition is that, yes, tell me.
सर ये जो है इधर अगर हम कुछ लिखेंगे तो इधर लिखेगा हमें इधर लिखना होगा तो कैसे लिखेंगे
कहाँ पे लिखना
सर
होगा?
हमें इधर लिखना होगा तो कैसे लिखेंगे
Okay, press the back button, because insert. Now again come to the next. Yes, now you can write. Okay, so you can see that extra lines are inserted in between. That's why, right? This is how it is moving.
yes
So we can change the order on that, right? Up and down we can see clearly insert new line. That's all. That's why cursor is moving up and down, because you have inserted too many line breaks, right? So you can see
yes
that
sir
typing is not the big issue. We must need to know what is the header and footer. Header is the text that appear at the top of each page. So the definition for the header is that header appears as an heading or background on each page, that is fixed. Okay, that's what we call the header, right? And
yes sir
next option is footer. Footer is, that is uh, at the okay, just adjacent to the header. You can see the footer. Go to the same tab, header footer tab. Yes, here is the option for the footer. Footer is the fixed text that appears on the bottom of the page. Okay, click on any of the uh, uh, yes options. Click on anyone. Click on that. So you can type the text here as well at footer. Okay. So you can clearly see the header and footer. We can type the text, and that is fixed. across all the documents, all the Microsoft Word pages. As many pages you want to insert, footer appears, header and footer appears on each and every page, right?
Okay, sir.
Any question regarding header and footer?
No, sir. Sir, cross header.
Yes, yes, close that option, right? So so we,
सर क्लिप आर्ट में क्या होता है?
yes, tell me what is
सर क्लिप आर्ट.
clip art. Yes, clip art is the outdated option. Using the clip art we can insert the uh, small text or images, bitmap images. That is basically outdated feature for the document. And yes, now you can see that. Okay, you search that. Okay, Apple. Now click any one of that art. Okay, and insert that.
सर
You can, okay, click on okay button. So you can see that, uh,
इंसर्ट कॉपी.
yes, insert, click on the insert copy.
सर ये.
First option, insert, copy that art. Click on copy and paste in your document. Control V is the option for that. Click on paste.
सर क्लिक नहीं हो रहा.
Is it not working?
नो सर. सर
use the
कंट्रोल
con-
प्लस.
use the control V. Is it working control V? Because this feature is outdated for Microsoft document, and that this has been disabled by the way. And if we want to insert any picture, using that picture option we can insert that. All right, picture option is there early.
सर आ गया.
And now is it working? Yes. So we need to insert it simultaneously. Control plus V button is working, but in Microsoft Word 2007 this topic is outdated. Means Microsoft has disabled that feature. Some of the Microsoft document it is not working, but in 2010 it is working, right? So
यस.
we have learned till now header, footer, right? And page margin, orientation, landscape, portrait, and all that thing. So today we have learned lot more topics and different kinds of tabs, all that thing. And by the way, we have
सर ये
recorded.
आगे से कैसे होता है?
Yes, yes. Tell me what is the
सर ये
question.
क्या?
This
सर
is
ये
the,
क्या आगे?
okay. This actually you have insert the uh, uh, item. Okay, that's text box or all that things. Drag and drop. Okay, so you can remove it using the click on top of that. That is circle, green circle. Click on that. Click on green circle. Yes. Now press the delete button. Press the delete button. Yes. Now it's gone because you have inserted this shape. Okay, and there is
ओके.
something you need to write. Okay, Microsoft Word is not limited to what you are learning. That is huge topic. Okay, and all the topics are not covered in your curriculum, so that's why I'm not teaching you here. Okay, that's advanced and intermediate level. Some different kinds of levels are there for that. And we have recorded this entire class. Okay, we put this online and share the link to you everyone. If you do not understand any kind of topic, and if you have any query, question, okay, watch this class again and again and listen carefully so you can memorize the things. Okay, we will share the link to all of you online, and go there and subscribe for that channel and watch the video. right?
Channel
Yes, we will send you the channel link for to everyone for class 6. Okay, there is playlist for class 6 and you can watch the video, right?
सर यूट्यूब पे जाके क्या सर्च करें
Yes, YouTube, I will give you the link. You need not to search over there. Okay, I will give you the link. Once you click on that link, you will directly go to the class. Okay, for that link. Okay, once you go to the channel, you can find your respective things like your class related things. Okay, each and every class. Okay, so we will put this class online. Also your some friends, some other students who has not joined the class and they missed the class, they can watch the video and figure out the thing what has been taught to you. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, lot more topics are
Excuse me,
covered.
sir.
A lot more topics are covered today, so that's enough for you guys. If you have any question, feel free to ask directly. You can give me message on my WhatsApp or any other question, right?
Okay,